Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just thought I'd do you a bit of an update video, kind of potting update. So back in middle of February did cuttings of this, which was the Hebe Caledonia, and here we are 3rd of August. Thought I'd just show you how they're doing and then potting them up. So let me set the camera up and show you. Right, so these were done. I've already potted one up, and this is oversized 10.5 centimetre pot, and you can see how much root they put on. And because I'm not quite ready for them yet, I'm potting up into a 3 litre pot. So behind me you can see I've had patio done, and I'm thinking I'll probably do a bit of a flower bed along there, so I might use maybe 1, 2 in there, but for the time being, so compost into the base about halfway filled, and then I will just fill roughly around halfway around the root ball, or half the height of the root ball, so you can firm it in, and then the remainder. So what I'm using is this it's multi-purpose with added John in it, so that's a loam based product, just gives it a little bit of weight, I suppose, in the product. And right, so as you can see, we're in the flowering time of year, so it's looking good, but as the flowers finish, just pinch them off, and that will encourage the plant to just bush out. And essentially that's it, 5 months on from where we started of the initial cutting stage to, well, this will be a decent plant as it bulks up. So yeah, that's it, we got 2 decent plants. So what I can say is thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, then please feel free to send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Yeah, if you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. It is really nice to see new subscribers keep coming on board. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos that I'm doing. And yeah, most importantly, just whilst the weather's with us, get out there, enjoy your garden, have fun, and yeah, just do a little bit of experimenting. So till next time, see you soon, bye for now.